Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Simple English Mizo YouTube channel. Today we're gonna learn this. And then the first one is kachiang lo ani chuanin I am not sure. I am not sure. Ti chuanin apani natan. Nge ti chuanin ka hachin thaingem ani chuanin can I try it on? Can I try it on? Korani chuanin can I try this shirt on? Ti mai tur ani. Ti chuanin apathum natan chuanin ka in melo ani chuanin it doesn't suit me. It doesn't suit me. Ti chuanin apali natan chuanin hemi kabun tok lo ka hatok lo ti soinan it doesn't fit me. It doesn't fit me. Ti chuan apanga natan chuanin nge ti chuanin subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ka YouTube channel hi lo subscribe ro ti na ani mai ni ka YouTube channel le Facebook page po hi mi lo subscribe sak be tu chen ka som tak se cheni. Bye bye.